Away, the boss man, the boss line. Salute attention. I'm 8 people decoded over for you today. I'm going to break down my song called Hanagan by Double O, Montana Makalabe. My father. Salute. So go say Hanagan number for you to first thing first. It was inspired by pain. Botogo be inspired lego shewe udwa mashumuna yo. Na as you can hear gagwara go jor from the beginning of the song. I'm calling God or bona brawaga. Hanangan na bra God. So ngeu kebe mulimu I know and I understand or maybe we ngas begimu or do barkia bagajeri ngojeri west. But at the end of the day, the song is inspired by the pain that I went through. So I had to express my feelings. Salute. Dabulo. Ashiza. Hey dabulo. Leskai dura, lesta dura. Ashiza. Ao kaolanda. Maradona lemosola. Mezozo mafresh. Kendi sheta. Kuri. Geremacha ile lindizo. Nagana. My fala. Muri mugiri hanagana. Nga. This line ya mulimu anaganna actually is an expression whereby I'm asking God wabon ya bal mulimu riki mulim karo na ne mada wako ne no apolosa so bela ro wane ganna through these things jeluru I'm going through wabon mulimu anaganna am femada origin the kono fenya morwalo gurilu mu maide so this line you know represents orengi mulimu anaganna please ya hobela I'm asking protection from God because you never know what would happen if God is not present once what gilabile I'm tired. Kalenki kodele la uri wabari. This lines ya Kalenki kodele la uri wabari. They were inspired by the fact showing Boswaga. Like I've been through cyberbullying for a very long time. But Robanji they ended up thinking maybe I'm stupid or maybe I don't know how to fight or maybe whatever. But at the end of the day, what I was trying to say is that I'm tired of acting like there's nothing I can do to the people that are taking advantage over what I have. I'm just trying to emphasize fact showing Boswaga. Gilabili elimu abantu balorengi bandiyo gar nase lwabona bandiyo gar na bambiri. So this thing ibile ya zamaya from cyberbullying ya feleja kimfitela mugulula wabona cause there were people who were harassing me thinking maybe wabona ngasidi ese because at the end of the day they know I'm smart. I won't do something out of ordinary and they understand that. So they were taking an advantage. That's why nagaba bujoreng gilabile I'm tired. Kalenki kodele la uri wabari. No say anymore brawaga. How can I run ruaga for more? One rua, I don't know what I will do. But at the end of the day, I won't do something out of ordinary as usual. But I know something will happen. Salute me, dogo. Hi money, die money. Whoa, high money, die money. I'm not referring to a person literal. So it's a metaphorical figure of speech. Daman go botogo, answer, gisuba botogo, sin, botogo biango baja. Daman is the pain. So I'm talking to the pain when I say, die money. Hey, gababana bazibi urina, ginna money, zapaba money. So this song, Ekdamu, I was just trying to emphasize the fact showering Boswaga. As much as I've been through worse, I'm stronger than I look. So if you don't know me, you'd say Damana strong, Damani what. But I know myself. That's why you don't know me. You are only knowing what I'm letting you know. So you don't know me and you don't know what I'm capable of. Even if I'm not dangerous, I don't have to be. You just don't know my uniqueness. The unique part about me is the fact that I don't give up. So if you know my strength, then you definitely know that my father as much as give up. Lewegile balila bupilo baga mulimugi na taziaga jaga jabu pilo girili ya baba ngasika kona upila libyana butugubyo haina gedo fola. So this part of words even like regro evia gam ko go no bana gaskama clear beating around the bush. This part is the fact shower shapo. I've met many people who were xenophobic towards me, believing or maybe I'm a foreigner or whatsoever. I won't say much, but what I'm gonna say is the fact that being called names is very painful when you know the truth and you know who you are. But at the end of the day, what I was trying to say, fact showering ovalaga manzui doesn't mean it's a permanent scar. Mutragano ba ubajiga manzui akana noga rufe yiga we. So naganyo go ubujoyingi botogubyo when I would fall, just remain strong on your mama. Know what you want in life. Set your own goals. You must not make this a temporary thing. Be a permanent goal getter. Manaba. nage do fenya. So manaba, on that song, I represent really na la motho fela uba batho fela. So manaba I represent logiga moga. Did you know that you can be your own enemy? You can be enemy of your own progress. So what I was saying igir manaba, I just mean me be but ruana, but walurubana no they are better than me just because of maybe I have less, or maybe just because they think orbona ba better than naga lujiri je. Mfigi beginya ga no emphasize agori. There's no way you can influence aunna or give mutu na unyagor nagabe na unless nankinyaga oba mutu na unyagor nagabe. So at the end of the day, manabaga moga gone. Gro rankalo me. If you unanogar guru whatever guru my follow what but what I'm trying to say is the fact that manabaga mugaona they know and they are feeling what I'm trying to say, and I'm trying to tell them even no ringi nagido fenya lagasim fenyo ya guy gidono lava fuit. If you are my enemy, I'm going to fight with all I've got. What I know is that I believe in prayer and I know God will do me a very good favor. Thank you. Goshe message wayona to the people egi recorder gibegi recorder la ubujawena and the next person or again committing suicide or killing your own dream or maybe holding your own goals, your own achievement ukaballa or fitel lagama bagaije. Just know every pain that you are going through is temporary. Pain is the best teacher. You just need to be a good listener. Pay attention to the pain. You will find a solution either way. Salute.